Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. So for today's video, I am going to be testing out and giving you my first impression of this L'Oreal Brow Styler Boost and Set. So let's get started. So I think I picked this up at Walmart, or I think it was Target, and I paid like $8 or $9 for it. Still in the package. I almost dropped it. Still in the package. I haven't opened it up. This is what it looks like. I've never done this before. It's my first time, so you're doing it with me or you're watching as I'm doing it. So I'm just gonna open it up just like this, and I'm going to. I got the darkest or dark brunette because I have brown eyebrows. So it comes in a little tube like this, I thought. So this must be the applicator to put it on. It doesn't come, I don't think it comes with a brow thing. I thought it did for some odd reason. The beauty tech girl at Target showed me this one. But anyways, let's try it. See, so it comes out just like mascara, and you just put it on your eyebrow. Wow, this stuff really works really well. I don't know, like I'll insert a before and after pic so that you can see, but I really like it. My first impression is very good. So it totally matches my eye, but I'm only putting a little bit on there. I'm not putting a lot because I don't want to look like I have hairy eyebrow, brows. So, and I do have vitiligo, so that's why I have white hair. I've had it since I was little. So, and it does show up in my eyebrows. Oh, sorry. Must be hungry. So, that. I think I got more on this side than that side. So, I'm gonna. And you might want to dip it in. I think that this is the applicator. I do have an eyebrow brush from Sakona Kesh from Target, but I haven't tested it out or did a review on it, but that might work too. But it comes with a little applicator, so I think this is what you use. I'm not too positive. It works really well, guys. I really like it. I think I still got more on that side. Sorry, I was like looking up in the mirror, not looking into the camera. So I'm gonna dip it in again like that, twirl it around, and oh yeah, it like works really well. So, Revlon has one too, and I've noticed that this one was like $2 cheaper or something than Revlon, and I thought the Revlon was pretty expensive, but I'll show you what it looks like. And I'll even insert a before and after picture. I don't know if I've already said that, but I really like it, guys. So I'll come back with the end result. So yeah, so I don't have to bug you and you have to watch the whole time. But this is mostly it. I like it, so I'll come back with the end result. Okay, so before I do the end result, I put a little bit more on this eye, and I didn't know it was wet, so it is a liquid, and I got some right there. I don't know if you can tell, but right there on my eyebrow or whatever. But I did go like this with my finger, and I did get some, and it was wet. So you do have to let it dry. I've never used this product like I said before, so that is a tip for you guys. So now I'm going to really come back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the L'Oreal Brow Styler Booster and Set. This is my first impression. I've never used this product at all. So you're seeing it for the first time, like I said before, like me, or watching me, like I said. I really like it. I would totally recommend that this product to anyone and everyone. Go to your local Target, Walmart, a drugstore, but I found it at Target, and it was like $2 or $1 or $3 cheaper than the Revlon one. So, and I'll show you the packaging again. See, and hopefully, sorry, having a hard time. So that's what it looks like. So I really like it. I would recommend it to anyone, like I just said. Please don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions, comments, put them down below. Please also hit the subscribe button before you leave, and thanks for watching.